Okay, here we go, guys. We are doing the jelly flower with acrylic, and this is a glitter clear based acrylic that I'm using because I really love the look of the way this sets. So you can make these jelly flowers look more jelly-like if you use the clear acrylics, because you can, just do your basic 3D flower with acrylic. But don't forget, you can also use your clear and add your gel top coat, because that's what really makes it shiny and jelly-like. Like if you used the sculpting gel, or if you use the poly gel, it has a similar look depending on your brand. I know some clear acrylics look a little foggy, so just utilize what you have, and you don't have to stress over the sculpting gel, or you can use this. And I did use wetter beads, so please forgive that. I know it takes a little longer, but it is hot here in Texas, so I figured for me it's easier to work with a wetter bead. If it's simple for you to work with a much drier bead, then grab that. But I'm just doing a quick flower just to, show you that it's doable. And right here, I kind of messed up in a way, but you may not be able to tell. But I had to layer the petals instead because I made the flower so big. But I just wanted to quickly do this. You guys can just see, like, hey, you can still make this jelly flower work. And remember, the top coat is what brings out that jelly effect, because it gives it that shine that, I'm having to work with this bead a lot longer because of the fact that I had to layer it on top, and then the bead fell at the bottom. So yeah, the struggle was real. And also forgive the fact that it wasn't in frame most of the time. I just kind of wanted to get this, out there so that you can see you can do this. You can get those jelly flowers that you want. And there's so many flowers out there. You can do something different. You can do a jelly rose. You could do whatever your client's interested in. But utilize those acrylics, those glitter acrylics, those clear acrylics, things like that. And enjoy the rest of this video. So there we have our flower. She's not that cute, but she's cute, And I decided just to add, the outline gel squigglies, just to kind of define the flower shape a little more, give it some character, add some pizzazz, do whatever you need to do to create your cute flower, and do a lot of them to get better, because that's literally what I usually do. Is if I'm trying to perfect something, or if I want something to look a certain way, I'll just do it a couple times on some practice nails before you do it on your clients. And you can do this. It doesn't have to be perfect. Flowers are not all perfectly shaped. And make it look organic, make it look, and don't forget that top coat again. Don't forget the top coat. That's what gives it this jelly effect. And have fun with this, you guys. I will share some more nail hacks with you very soon. I have a couple more things to record, so have a blessed day, and I will show you some more videos later. Don't forget to follow, hit that follow button, press the heart, show some love, and thank you.